This will be a video on how to make Dollar Tree head wraps, scarves. As you can see, I have one on, and it's very simple. I'll show you how to do that. There would be no need to measure if you read right here. It tells you this is 63 inches by 13.8. And if you cut this exactly in half, even if you got a bigger head, it should fit. Now if it don't, you need to measure to go around your head and cut accordingly. So all you need is your scarf, your scarves, photo bomb by my cat, always. You can use a measuring tape to get your exact size. I don't have to measure because I know if I cut this exactly in half, I can make two scarves, 63 inch by 13.8. That's the width. Okay, so all I really need is a pair of scissors, and I've already cut one in half, and it's all you do is, after you cut it in half, I do it like this. If there's any tags on it, see, it doesn't have to be perfectly cut either. I just whacked it in half. Okay, so you're going to fold it in. You're going to fold it in, kind of like folding a towel, and fold it like that. And then you're going to, I got a hangnail sticking to my fingernails. Okay, so fold it in, both pieces in. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Ian, you're photo bombing me. Okay, so fold that over, and then fold it again in the middle. That way you got all sides folded nice and neat. And all you do, put this to the back of your head. So you got that. And then just put it on your head and tie it wherever you want, like around your ears or whatever you want. And then you get real pretty results. So all of these are the same length. Yen, you're making me mad. They're all 63 length. So I don't have to measure mine. So half of 63, whatever that is makes two scarves for my head. And then that makes this worth only $1. Now you can go to Walmart and pay about $7, $8 for a pretty scarf that's already fixed to go around your head. But this is no sew. You just tie it wherever you want it. And then I just simply wash mine out in the sink. Yeah, and you must be in this photo, right? All my photos, you've got to be on. Get up. See, I just simply tie it around my head, and you could make this as wide as you want and all. The reason why I'm doing this, because I need to dye my hair, and I get gray right here first. So I don't want to dye my hair more than once a month, so I can hide it. Or options, putting a wig on. Ugh, too hot. And I just clip it up in a, I got a clip up here. I just wad my hair up and clip it. And I don't think it looks too bad. Okay, I'm going to show you something. This scarf come sewed together, but it's still the same size as this long scarf. So what if you take this long scarf and you fold it in half and you place it on top of that, it's the same length, which was, let me see, here was the tag on the black and white. See, it says 68 10 inches wide. But if you could see the measurement, see, it's the same when I fold that in half. So where the seam is, I'm just going to cut down the seam. That's all I'm going to do. See, on this one, I'm just going to cut it right in half. Don't have to be perfect. I'm going to get some better scissors. It does help to have better scissors. You don't want to chew your scarves up. Well, okay, so cut them in half. That's 2. That is 2. And for this one that's together, see, it's got that seam together. Now remove these tags. And I'm just going to cut that down the middle and open that up. You know, I'm just going to cut this seam off. I'm just going to cut that seam. It would help if I had some better scissors, but I don't know where my better scissors are. I'm going to have to wait and go next door. But anyway, you'll cut that seam off. I got some scissors next door. That probably will cut. But I'm just going to wait. I'm going to cut all these in half. Get them together just perfect. Now, ain't that a pretty headband? Okay. Well, take all these tags off. Fold it in. Hang now. Fold it over. Fold it in the middle. Put this to the back of your head, the folded side, and this to the front. Isn't that gorgeous? Whatever outfit you're going. I got this one. This is already cut. When you fold them up, they're beautiful. And I got a solid black. That one, I'm wearing this one right now. Got a blue one. Got this one with the, what is this, flamingo on it. And then this black and white. I have a white shorts with a black top I wear with that. So there you have it. That's how you make your scarves. Head scarves. No sew, no nothing. It's very good. Okay, hope that helps somebody. Oh, and also, when you have these on, if you have something you want to put on them, like a little brooch that's not very heavy, you could put that on there too. Like a flower brooch or something. It's not heavy. You don't want to weigh it down because these scarves are thin. These are Dollar Tree scarves. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. I found a small pair of scissors. I'm going to try to see if this is what I got. I'm going to see if I can cut it with this. If not, I want to go buy me a new pair. So I'm just going to cut this off. Just going to cut these. This is the one that's stuck together, seamed together. And I'm just going to cut that seam off. They're basically the same length. So, let's see if this will work. I'll hold this down with my knee because you want to pull tightly on it. There we go. Now, oops, still got a little piece there that didn't get cut. Now you got this real long scarf and you just hold it together. Cut it in half. I hand wash these because if you don't hand wash them, you might make them ravel. I don't know. Okay. We'll cut that in half. I just pull them together. Now we have two. Got two scarves for $1. This is my black one. My blue one. So I should have other halves, huh? This is my pink flamingo. I like taking these off. Cut these little tags off. And then get these together. Go corner to corner like you're doing a sheet. And then fold it again up there. Okay, we got to get to the middle. Where's the... Can't hang on to nothing. Okay. Put them together. Fold it again like it's a sheet. Go to the bottom. And cut. Cut them in half. That's all you do. It's actually harder to get straight than you think. And just cut it in half. Get some good sharp scissors. These are sharp. The old scissors is just going to hack away at it. Alright, now if you get a scarf like this, it's got the fringes on there, just cut those off. Now you just want to cut the fringe part. You don't want to cut the material. You're just cutting those little things off. And then cut all the tags off. You don't want that on there. Usually the first thing I do is take this tag off and fold it in half and cut it. I've already cut this one. This one's pretty wide. Don't worry about the width on it. But I do fold it like that, in, and then like that. So you got your nice clean edge. Fold it in, and then fold it like that. to get your clean edge. Okay. Now some scarves, if they look like they're short already, just measure them to your head first. You only really need a measuring tape. You just need to wrap it around your head where you want to cut it. Luckily, I know the length on these because it says on the tag, and I know that it fits me perfect if I just cut it in half. So I don't worry about it. I haven't had no problem with them raveling and stuff because I hand wash. See, if they're sewed together, you just whack that off. And don't worry about the width. If you find a pretty scarf you like, don't worry about the width. This one's really wide. And see, this was not as wide. Let's see if I need something contrast so you can see. Here, we'll do the flamingo. You see how much wider this one is? Don't worry about the width. Because you can fold it down to the size you want. And let me tell you, when you're working out in the hot sun or something, or going somewhere, then it's actually cool because it keeps the perspiration from running down. Like if you got makeup on, which I don't wear, I only wear powder in the summer. I don't wear liquid makeup. And so that really helps. I notice the difference. I can work out in my yard and put one of these headbands on and I can look good without putting a bandana on me, that don't have no color to it. So, and especially when I need to dye my hair, then I don't want my gray hair showing around the face of my head. So there you go. Maybe a little bit too much video for this. Okay, bye. Have a good day, y'all. This is how I store my head wrap scarves so I can see each one individually. I have more, but these are the ones I just recently got. And I just tie them on a hanger and hang them up. And that way I can see them individually. I hope y'all will make you some, because I really like these, and it's cheap. And then if you cut them in half and you want to share, you could give some to someone else that might like them. Now remember, everybody's head is a different shape. Mine is small, so I can cut it directly in half, but y'all need to wrap it around your head and see how much you need to tie off and all. Because if you got a huge head, you know that you may not get a half of one. You may have to use the whole scarf for your size head. So y'all gotta keep that in mind. Everybody's gonna be different.